There are many laws of conservation, from conservation of charge to conservation of momentum. The first law of this type to be understood was conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is neither created nor destroyed. To put it simply, the mass of an element at the beginning of reaction will be the same as the mass of that same element at the end of the reaction. So at any point during a reaction in a closed system, which is a system that doesn't allow interaction with exterior factors, the mass and quantity of matter involved is constant. This law holds true due to the stability of naturally occurring elements on the surface of the Earth. The best example of this would be the carbon cycle. Carbon is one of the most abundant elements in the universe, and, needless to say, it can be found everywhere. During this cycle, the carbon is neither created nor destroyed, but cycles among chemical compounds. Because of this, every individual atom, whether it forms living or non-living matter, has been around for millions of years, and most have been part of something else before landing where they are. Now that we've covered conservation of mass, next in line is conservation of energy. Very similarly to the principle of conservation of mass, the principle of conservation of energy states that the total energy of a closed system will be constant during the whole reaction. By that logic, just like mass, energy cannot be created nor destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. For example, when you turn on a lamp, electrical energy is converted to radiant energy. However, both these laws encounter the same problem, an exception of sorts. That exception would be Albert Einstein's theory of special relativity, or in more popular terms, E equals mc squared. The theory expresses that mass and energy are the same physical entity and can be changed into one another. The equation itself means that the mass of a body times the speed of light squared is equal to the kinetic energy of that body, kinetic energy being the energy an object possesses due to its movement. So when you go to bed tonight, remember that every single atom in your body has been somewhere else and been part of something else, from a lowly worm to a distant star. It's humbling to know that as much as we are in the universe is also in us.